How can we install a Docker desktop on a Windows machine from official Docker website? So this is the link. You can search for the same on Google and install Docker desktop on Windows, and let's click on this option. So after clicking, it will start downloading, and I already have it downloaded, Docker desktop installers. So once you click it, and you will get the prompt to say next, and it will be downloaded within few minutes, because there are a lot of packages and it is around 500 MB file. So I already installed it. To installation, see this console, Docker desktop console. After installation, you need to perform some more steps. That is, when you are installing it on a Windows machine, you need to enable certain parameters on your Windows machine, and for that you will have to go to this link, and otherwise you can find it same here, download and install Linux kernel package. So if you click here, it will automatically download. You will see this exe file over here. So once you directly install it, you will be able to access the Docker container. So apart from that, you need to perform one more task. That is, you go to this page. Here it is mentioned step by step what we have to do. Run this command in PowerShell, run it again for you. So if you perform all this, you will not get any errors, because I faced these errors, and that's why I'm so this is in PowerShell I'm running. We need to enable few Linux like features in Windows machine, so that's the reason we have to run this command. First one is done. Similarly, for virtualization capabilities, we'll be running this as well. This will be this operation is completed successfully. After this was the option I was talking about. If you click on this, it will download this package, WSL x64. This is because I'm using Windows 10 64-bit machine. This will automatically download this after clicking here, and once it is downloaded, you have to install it manually. The normal installation way, how we install any Windows software. Similarly, you just say next, and it will be installed automatically. So after that, this is the last command we need to execute on PowerShell. Set WSL2 as your default version. So go back to PowerShell and execute this command. Okay, so this operation completed successfully, and now your prerequisites, whatever is required to perform the Docker operations from your Docker desktop, you are all set now. But before that, to make these settings effective, you have to restart your system, and once after restart you come back, then you will see that everything will run properly.
If you are interested in learning more about multi-cloud and DevOps tools, please subscribe this channel and like this video.